Welcome back to Auto Dynasty, the place where the future of performance and luxury comes alive. If you love cutting-edge design, next-level technology, and cars that redefine their class, you're in the right spot. Today, we're diving into something truly special. The next-generation 2027 Porsche Panamera, officially unveiled and ready to shake up the luxury sports sedan world. The 2027 Porsche Panamera arrives with a bold new attitude, blending Porsche's iconic DNA with a fresh, futuristic design. At first glance, the car looks lower, wider, and more aggressive than ever before. The front fascia is sharper, with slimmer LED matrix headlights that flow seamlessly into the sculpted hood. The signature Porsche curves are still here, but now they're more refined, more aerodynamic, and more purposeful. This Panamera doesn't just want attention, it demands it. From the side, the coupe-like roofline feels more elegant, giving the car a true grand tourer presence. Porsche is clearly focused on aerodynamics, with smoother surfaces, active air elements, and redesigned wheels that enhance both style and performance. At the rear, a full-width LED light bar stretches across the tail, paired with a cleaner bumper and sporty exhaust layout, giving the Panamera a modern yet unmistakably Porsche identity. Step inside, and the 2027 Panamera feels like a leap into the future. The cabin is more digital, more luxurious, and more driver-focused than ever. A curved digital instrument cluster sits behind the steering wheel, delivering crisp, customizable driving information. The central touchscreen is larger and faster, powered by Porsche's latest infotainment system, offering seamless connectivity, advanced navigation, and intuitive controls. Premium materials surround you, from fine leather and brushed aluminum to optional carbon fiber and sustainable trim choices, making every drive feel special. Comfort hasn't been sacrificed for sportiness. The seats are redesigned for better support on long journeys, while still holding you firmly during spirited driving. Rear passengers benefit from increased legroom and enhanced climate control options, reinforcing the Panamera's role as both a performance machine and a luxury sedan. Under the hood, the 2027 Porsche Panamera truly shines. Porsche is expected to offer a range of powerful engines, including advanced turbocharged V6 and V8 options, along with improved hybrid variants. These new hybrid systems promise stronger performance, quicker acceleration, and better efficiency, without losing the thrilling Porsche driving feel. Instant torque, razor-sharp throttle response, and refined power delivery make this Panamera one of the most exciting sedans on the road. Handling is sharper, thanks to an upgraded chassis, adaptive air suspension, and advanced all-wheel drive system. Whether you're cruising on the highway or attacking corners on a mountain road, the Panamera feels planted, balanced, and incredibly confident. Multiple driving modes allow you to switch from comfortable luxury to aggressive sportiness in seconds. Safety and driver assistance have also taken a major step forward. The 2027 Panamera comes equipped with the latest Porsche safety technologies, including advanced adaptive cruise control, lane assist, collision prevention systems, and improved night vision support. These features work quietly in the background, enhancing confidence without taking away from the driving experience. The 2027 Porsche Panamera is more than just a new model, it's a statement. It proves that a luxury sedan can be fast, intelligent, stylish, and emotionally engaging all at once. Porsche has refined every detail to create a car that feels just as thrilling to drive as it does to admire. If you're excited about the future of luxury performance cars, this Panamera is definitely one to watch. Stay connected with Auto Dynasty for more exclusive updates, deep dives, and the latest automotive reveals. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.